Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux with the robot operating system and connected with RaspberryPi Plus board to Minicom serial terminal, as well as HDMI monitor and network for VNC. Also connected to a band cable for use with breadboard and electronics and some fischertechnik stuff. Also connected to a Mac with external screen, and this one has some issues, the screen itself, so hence I'm using external screen. Also with a tablet, Android tablet, and that is this one. I should be careful with the light. Trying to get some test doing with GPIO, primarily on the Mac, as well as C++, because the problem is still that with Bash, with the GPIO, which is this, well, this is the extension via the band cable, of course. Via the GPIO I had some problems with input, which means that I can't read the button properly and I can't read from the photo transistor properly. They gave last time some results, but the results were not what I expected. And with C++ I still try to address the GPIO, and I thought I had found the error inside class with header file, but unfortunately that was not the solution. At first I thought it was it, and next time it still went wrong. So that, together with the former idea that it was a compiler issue which it didn't show up, or it turned out it wasn't a compiler issue at all. So that is still a big question, why the GPIO on this Raspberry is not properly addressed. On the Raspberry Pi 1 it did work, and maybe it's time to even check that one, because I can't believe that a header file that I wrote and that worked keeps going wrong on this Raspberry. Well, this is version 2B+, the other one is Raspberry Pi 1B+, and yes, versions can matter, but that much I doubt it. So let's address the stuff on the Mac using the GPIO, and the only thing that you should see happening is that this and this go work and this works, and hopefully this motor as well. So let's say bash gpio.txt, and this one works, and this does nothing. So and that is why there's a wire out. Putting it back, let's do it again. Oh, and indeed it still gives the wrong input, so let's press the button, and now this LED burns, the motor works, that is good, but this one does nothing. Let me fix this wire. Usually don't fix what isn't broken, but alright, this works, this doesn't. this is still an issue. So somewhere that does go wrong. Anyway, now I know that the hardware mostly works. I skip to C++ and see whatever I can get working this time. So, here we are, back with probably familiar screen. The control source file, the motor source file, and yes, that is supposed to drive this motor. Not going to happen yet. Here I have the open windows that should drive, and yes, that is a shoot. This one should be in the lower window, this one here. So let's indeed get things properly, and this is it. So with the ROS core running, oh wait, what happened here? Oh, this indicates that I am not able to use ROS. Killing on exit. Could not contact master. Whoa. Okay, let's try again. And that does work. Big question, which I'm not going to answer. Why does it crash? Okay, this seems to work, of which I'm very happy. So, run. And this one, run. Okay, that's good. It works. The very basics work. Because what you see here is what I print here. And that's all there is right now. Before I go anywhere else, anywhere further, this has to work. And there's immediately the problem. And also when I enable this and it fails to build, then I lose my executable, this executable, and I can't do anything anymore. So yes, that is still a big problem. Yeah, so let's open another window in here. Could have done before, but anyway. Alright, now I have all passwords, etc. And no, because what am I doing again? Yeah, I'm using the wrong command. Cross CD. This is what I want to know. I changed last time something in CMakeList, because apparently that is where the driver is, or should be added, which I did, and that I did here according to example. So I used small print, I used mixed print, small and big, and I used, as you can see, capital, big print, capital, whatever. This does not work either. Hence why I commented it out again. But it is a compiler issue, a link issue, because it says no reference found. No reference means there's something with this. And there's another issue. Going back a little bit. Because what I did have earlier was this. Or this, and not, yeah, I did not have this one. Which brings the question, should I have to compile this one? Why do I think of that now? If I don't compile this, how to go on? That's a very good one. Let me check out. Okay, so it simply tells me to compile. So that is what I'm doing. Minus output. Like this. Not quite sure what the outcome will be, but apparently it doesn't work this way. So let's just do this and see whatever happens. A reference to main. Oh, that is a very new one. Right. That means that I should open a tab here and go into the source code. Aha, yeah, right. And that says enough. It is not independently executable because it has no main. So I should compile this together with within catkin make. That's the point. Otherwise it won't work at all. My mistake. Right, first quit this one. Quit this. Now I'm back, and now, well, this could work after all, but let's start a new one. No. New tab. I am here, but I need to go to the root of a workspace, not the entire root, nothing to do with that one. Okay, so catkin make, and with that, and executing this just builds it, but I need to include GPIOClass. How to do it with catkin make, I have an idea, but I want to be sure. So let me go there. And things may not be as complicated. In the settings there's an executable, and within the executable it says ftcontrol source ftcontrol.cpp. So what if I add something? Could I add it after or should I do it before? I'm not quite sure, but I'm just going to add it and I will see whatever happens. And in this case it is GPIO class, which is from source GPIO class.cpp. And who knows, this just works. Although on the other hand, this is one executable. So let me add just another executable. Otherwise they would have said this executable as well. Let me change that then. Delete word. Okay. So this means that I will copy 3 lines and paste them. 1 line in between. So this will be GPIO class, and so will this be. Target link libraries. Let's just do it. Although this is Catkin libraries, and that is the big question. I think I should just try this one. And add it here. $accolade. Like this, so that it can be removed here. And then this is something different because it should be a dependency, and it's not. I'm not sure if this is a dependency really. Anyway, I will just see whatever happens. First save, and then root catkin make. Whatever happens, happens. An error. Semi-glazed. Oh, function is missing something. Line 211. Okay. Line 211. There's no line 211. Function is missing ending accolade, as far as I can see. Oh yeah, here. This is better. Right. Try again. target really does not exist, whatever. And it finds reference to main again. Okay, this I have to find out really how I did it on Raspberry Pi 1. How and in which way I managed to do it. Yeah, that's better. I am on the Mac again, and I managed to get a video view also of the breadboard with this stuff. Not sure how it will go, but I know this, one click and it's gone. So I have to then select and I have to view again. Hope it's gonna work. Anyway, execute. And now is the problem that somehow this doesn't really work, because when I see it on the board going active, I won't see it in the camera. So let me do it then like this. Now I see the LED burning, but I don't see it here. Okay, this has a massive delay. Yeah, that is called a huge delay. So I don't have to hurry. Okay, just testing, so let's do it again. And yeah, this works. Goes off now. What about, no, that doesn't work, and it's still burning while the LED is still off. Okay, it has some seconds delay. Anyway, open a new window and open it like this. Bit more. So the point is that it gives 0 and 1, and when I press, let's try this. You should see my finger on the button by now. Okay, it has some 4 seconds delay, unfortunately. So I'm pressing the button now. Let's run. It has already exited and you're not seeing a thing. And because of the delay, it's not a fun thing to watch, unfortunately. Question is also, why doesn't it work the way it should? It's 11 and 15. And they're both input. And if I recall correctly, also which is going where, this one is alright from the voltage divider, which is right here. It is located at 11. Alright, that means that the phototransistor, now you see my hand suddenly, which means that the 11 is the phototransistor, 15 is the button. 15 then gives 1. But if I don't touch it, it should give 0. Which doesn't happen. So, not touching it. There we go again. LED, LED, nothing. Even the motor doesn't do a thing anymore. So something is not quite right. But what to do about it? Yeah. Let's just finish this stuff. Although I want to know how to fix this, but I'll have to find some more tutorial. So unfortunately it hasn't brought me what I had hoped, but I'm at least a bit wiser. So this is certainly going to be continued. Which brings me to saying thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, that is very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. And please donate to my to keep my channel running and to keep the blog going. Donating can via PayPal and via Wired. More information on the website. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website. And depending on the pledge, also with my videos in one or more ways. My website is listed under this video, as well as my social media names. Please visit my website for much more videos and pictures, etc. events that I visit. So that's it for now. Once again, thanks for watching. Have a nice day and bye bye.